Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to enable or disable the liquid glass icon on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or any other iPhone which is running with the latest iOS 26 update. So let's get started. Now, in order to change the icons to the liquid glass, what you need to do is to just press and hold in an empty space to enter into wiggle mode. Once you are into wiggle mode, you can see an edit button on the top left corner of the device. You just need to tap on that and then a menu will pop up. Here, you need to select the customization option, and after that, down at the bottom, you will see a new menu. Here, you need to select the clear. And that's basically how the icons are going to be turned into liquid glass icon. Now, if you don't like this icon and wanted to disable them, simply change that clear icons to the light or dark icon based on your need, and the liquid glass will be turned off. So guys, basically this is how you can turn on or off the liquid glass icon on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or any other iPhone which is running with the latest iOS 26 update. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Peace.